Kuruk, come here, crazy. You're too big for your jacket, huh? No, you couldn't move in your jacket. You had to take it off. Get you a different one. Yes, we will. Hi. Come here, crazy pants. Where's your crazy eyes? Where's your crazy eyes? Yeah. Hi. Oh, Elsa's gonna come. Yeah, Elsa's gonna get up in this business. Elsa. Come on. Buddy, Elsa's gonna get it. You need to get it before she does. There you go. Come on. There. Oh, so handsome. This way. Ooh, where is it? I know. Where's it? You're so cute. Yeah, you are. Where's your crazy eyes? Where's your little? There's a little head shake. Huh. Where is it? There, go.